You are going to love the new narrative, persuasive, and informative courses. If you have a Teacher Hub subscription or have signed up for a free trial, they are the perfect place to start. Each course is packed with everything you'll need to roll out the 7 steps in your classroom. We suggest you start with the Getting Started module. It's an introduction to the course. Each module shows you how to learn, teach, apply, and assess each step. Some of the resources are grayed out during the free trial as they are only available to members. You can add resources you love to the planner as you work your way through to create your own customized teaching plan. Click on the Mark as Complete button to track your progress through the course. If we scroll back up, we can see our progress just here. Each course ends with a Putting It All Together module, showing us how to help students write complete text using all 7 steps. So these are your step-by-step guide to writing success.